Java and C++ are two of the most widely used programming languages in the world, with many applications in various industries. Java is an object-oriented programming language that was first developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in the mid-1990s. It is a popular choice for developing enterprise software solutions and is widely used in web development, mobile application development, and more. On the other hand, C++ is a high-performance programming language that was developed in the 1980s by Bjarne Stroustrup at Bell Labs. It is a popular choice for system-level programming, game development, and other performance-critical applications. If you are new to programming, you are likely considering learning one of these two languages. It's important to note that while both languages share some similarities, they also have significant differences. One of the most significant differences is that C++ is a compiled language, while Java is an interpreted language. This means that C++ code is compiled into machine code that can be run directly by the computer, while Java code is compiled into bytecode that must be interpreted by the Java virtual machine at runtime. Another factor to consider is the learning curve of each language. While both languages have a steep learning curve, C++ is generally considered more difficult to learn due to its complex syntax and concepts like memory management, which can be challenging for beginners. Java, on the other hand, is known for being more beginner-friendly, with simpler syntax and built-in memory management. Another factor to consider is the availability of libraries and frameworks for each language. Both languages have a large community of developers and a vast collection of libraries and frameworks, but Java has a larger and more mature ecosystem. This is partly because Java has been around longer than C++ and has been widely adopted by enterprise companies for building large-scale applications. When it comes to job prospects, both languages are in high demand in the tech industry. C++ is often used in fields like game development, system programming, and high-performance computing. On the other hand, Java is widely used in enterprise software development, web development, and mobile application development. It's important to research the job market in your field of interest to determine which language is in higher demand. In terms of salaries, both Java and C++ developers are in high demand, and the pay is generally good. However, the salary for a Java developer tends to be higher than that of a C++ developer, partly due to the greater demand for Java developers in the industry. It's also worth noting that both languages are used extensively in the gaming industry. C++ is particularly popular for game development because of its high performance and low-level access to system resources. However, Java is also used for game development, especially for mobile games, because of its cross-platform compatibility and easy deployment on various platforms. In summary, the choice between Java and C++ ultimately comes down to your individual preferences and specific requirements for a project. Both languages have their strengths and weaknesses, and both are widely used and in high demand in the industry. As a programmer, it's important to keep an open mind and be willing to learn new languages and technologies as needed to stay competitive and advance your career. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it provided you with some valuable insights.